A rise in syphilis rates, elderly isolation, and drunk driving. Those are some of the concerns brought up at an idea exchange hosted by Lubbock's Health Department.
Yeah, the event gave folks a forum to talk about their concerns dealing with public health. And KMAX Juliana Washburn was there.
Brian and Lauren, this was actually the first time our health department has hosted a discussion like this, and there were a lot of concerns brought up. One of the biggest being syphilis rates and the lack of sex education for teens. Many moms in the audience say that they're worried about high STI rates.
Can we talk about sex? Can we talk about sex in Lubbock, Texas?
A question that brought on a big discussion Thursday.
It is absolutely astonishing what those students don't know.
Concerned citizens calling on schools and parents to just talk about it. The concern stemming from syphilis rates after Lubbock saw a 500% increase in syphilis cases over the past few years.
If they're going to have sex, let's make it safe. Because there are sexually transmitted infections that I can fix, and there are sexually transmitted infections that I cannot fix that you'll carry for the rest of your life.
Catherine Wells, the director of public health, responding to those comments and offering some solutions.
We say, oh, this is something parents should talk to their children about, but we don't necessarily teach or give our parents those tools. So I think it's going to be a two-sided approach where we're going to work with both young people and then also educate our adults on how do you talk to your kids about this.
It wasn't just sex education that was a big topic at the discussion. It was also elderly isolation.
For the elderly, it is sad.
Concerns around our high child abuse rates, domestic violence, food insecurity, access to health care. So a whole broad range of different health needs and community needs.
Wells and other health professionals at the discussion taking it all into account.
That's why we're doing these listening sessions, is to hear from different parts of our community about what their biggest concerns are.
After hearing from the community, the health department will put a proposal together to help find solutions to some of these problems, and they'll then present it to the Board of Health in June. So if you'd like to add your input, we've got a link on our website at everythinglubbock.com.